Afrina Khatun. My father name is Ziaur Rahman. I reading class standard 1 in Islamic public school Rahaspur. My topic is pillar of Islam. Islam is built on 5 pillars. First pillar Shahada. Shahada is the first and most important pillar of Islam. Without this, the building of Islam cannot stand. Second pillar Salah or prayer. After Shahada, Salah or 5 times daily prayer is the most important duty of a Muslim. Third pillar Sam or fasting. Sam or fasting, the month of Ramadan, is the third pillar of Islam. It makes us feel the hunger of the poor. Fourth pillar Zakah or charity. Zakah is giving a portion of one's wealth in charity. It is the fourth pillar of Islam. Fifth pillar Hajj or pilgrimage. Hajj is a yearly pilgrimage to the house of Allah in Mecca. It is the fifth and last pillar of Islam.